Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 lock screen not working. It's a very simple process to solve this problem. So first, what you're going to do, we're going to open the settings by clicking on our keyboard Windows plus I. After that, we're going to click on personalization, and then after we're going to look for lock screen. Here it is. Click on that. After into the personalize your lock screen section, you just have to select picture or slideshow. That's it. After, you can simply close it. Now you can simply press in your keyboard Windows plus R. Then into the run system, you're going to type gpedit.msc and click enter. Then it will going to open the local group policy editor. Then after, you're going to go for computer configuration. Here it is. Then you're going to look for administrative templates. Here it is. Then you can simply click on control panel. Into the control panel, we're going to look for personalization. And now here, click on do not display the lock screen. Here it is. And now here you can simply check it set it into not configured or disabled. I'm going to check for not configured. Click on apply and click on OK. Now you can simply restart your PC. It will going to solve your problem. So this is how we can simply fix your lock screen not showing in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.